Hello, my name is Serge. I am leading the development of Reforest Network. Let me briefly explain its mission and share our current progress. Summers in Cyprus are becoming hotter and drier. Wildfires are happening more often and are destroying larger areas every year. Rainfall is decreasing. In these conditions, reforestation is not just important, it is the only way to protect our island. The good news is that the eco-community is already taking action. Organizations, volunteers, and sponsors are actively working on forest restoration. The mission of Reforest Network is to bring these three forces together and to make their work effective, transparent, and visible. The platform is under development, but a demo is already available on our website. This is the main screen. At the center is a 3D map of the island, and on the left, you can choose which dataset to display. Let's start with the main layer. It shows areas where reforestation activities are taking place. By selecting a specific location, we can see the history of events and the people involved. As an example, let's select this site near St. Elizabeth's Church. In November, 250 volunteers planted 140 trees here using advanced water-saving technology. This project was made possible by the efforts of Ecombert and the support of the Dashan Family Foundation. By following the link, we can see photos from the event. Another example, the road between Suni and Zanaja. In December, volunteers from Reforest Nicosia and City Friends Club planted 130 trees here with the support of GDEV. Going forward, our platform will allow to track the survival of planted trees and the development of the local ecosystem. One of the tools for this is the satellite imagery timeline. It shows how this area looked in the past, and as new images become available, they will be continuously added to Reforest Network. You may notice that some pins on the map are colored in sponsor colors. This is an example of how reforestation support becomes more visible through our platform. And in upcoming updates, we will also introduce a ranking of the most eco-engaged companies on the island. Let's look at the second data layer. Reforestation organizations are not only planting trees, some are also growing new seedlings. This layer includes a list of tree nurseries that we are aware of. For example, this nursery was established by Cyprus Forest Club in 2024. By following the links, you can view photos of the nursery and support its further development. For effective reforestation planning, it is important to have all relevant data in one place. Our platform now brings data from multiple sources together. For example, the list of protected natural areas under Natura 2000 imported from the Cyprus National Open Data Portal. Up-to-date wildfire damage data is critically important, yet public maps are updated slowly. 6 months after the devastating July fire, it is still not visible on Google Maps. But on our platform, this data appeared just a few days later. Users can view both the satellite imagery and the already delineated burned area. This makes it easy to see how it overlaps with other data layers. With every update, we add new data sets and bring in more organizations, volunteers, and sponsors, turning Reforest Network into a practical tool for restoring Cyprus's forests. And you're welcome to support the development and become part of this effort. Thank you.